Today, I'll walk you through how to log out of your Snapchat account from all other devices, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your account so you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your information is safe. First, let's open the Snapchat app on your device. If you're using a smartphone, simply tap the Snapchat icon to launch it. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, updates can change the layout a bit. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your Bitmoji or the silhouette icon in the top left corner of the screen. This is where you can access all your account settings and information. Now look for the Settings option. Tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your profile screen. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your Snapchat account. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Session Management. Tap on it to view all the devices and browsers where your account is currently logged in. This is similar to checking your bank account for unauthorized transactions. You want to know who has access to your information. You will see a list of devices that are logged into your Snapchat account. Unfortunately, there isn't a one-click option to log out from all devices at once. Instead, you'll need to manually log out of each device. To do this, simply click the X icon next to the device you want to log out from and confirm your choice. It may take a moment, but this ensures that only the devices you trust remain connected. Once you've logged out of all the devices you wish to disconnect, you're all set. Your Snapchat account is now more secure, and you can feel confident that your personal information is protected. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.